Google presentations are awesome for making presentations, but they can also be used to make things that you might want to print out. However, you need to be careful about a couple of things if you want your printing to be formatted well. I use this a lot in my geometry classroom when I'm making stations and want to have large images for the different stations. When you make a new presentation, the default is to make a widescreen presentation. This is what most Chromebooks are, and a lot of home computers and monitors have this too. So you can see that it's widescreen. But if you go into File, Page Setup, you have some options. So default is 16 by 9. You can also go back to the standard, which is the normal. I'll show you what that looks like. That's what the old PowerPoint used to be. And this is a good size for making printing that is landscape. Sometimes I want to make them portrait though. So if you go back into your page setup, and if you go down to custom, you have options for making it custom sized however you want. So right now it's about 10 inches by 7.5 inches. You can also use centimeters, points, and pixels. So I usually use inches because I'm usually going to be printing on an 8.5 by 11. This is perfect because it gives you a ½ inch margin on both sides. If you want to make them portrait, you could just swap the two and do 7.5 width and 10 inches high. Say okay, and that gives me a page that when I print it out is going to fit perfectly on a piece of printer paper. So that's how you can change the page setup of your Google presentations.